Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just swipe down and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon on your control center. Now for an example, if you cannot find the Do Not Disturb mode icon on your control center, just tap on the edit button at the top right on your control center. Now from here, just drag the Do Not Disturb mode icon to your control center, just like that. And once you have added the Do Not Disturb mode icon to your control center, just go back. Now from here, just tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon to enable Do Not Disturb mode, just like that. And also, if you cannot find the Do Not Disturb mode in your control center, you can enable Do Not Disturb mode from the Settings app. Now to do that, just open the Settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Do Not Disturb mode. Now from here, you can enable Do Not Disturb mode from the Settings app, just like that. And this is how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.